You've probably heard that UV radiation can be extremely dangerous. But do you know that it actually harms skin on a molecular level, causing DNA damage that can lead to aging and even cancer? There are two main forms of DNA damage from UV radiation: indirect and direct UV damage. Indirect damage occurs when harmful free radicals are formed due to external factors, including smoking, air pollution, inflammation, ionizing radiation, and metabolism. Antioxidants can be used for protection, but not all free radicals can be neutralized. Sometimes, an intermediary compound like oxygen can absorb the light energy and deliver it to the DNA, causing a free radical injury. Direct DNA damage occurs when UV radiation directly smashes into the DNA, resulting in a dimer or kink. How DNA is repaired. The body naturally fixes DNA using nucleotide excision repair, or NER. This is the predominant mechanism of mutation or injury correction in human cells. NER is controlled by the p53 protein, often referred to as the keeper of the human genome. In simple terms, p53 travels along the DNA strand like a train on a track, looking for damaged areas that require repair. When a distortion is recognized, the damaged segment is isolated and cut on either side of the damage. The damaged piece is removed and replaced with healthy new DNA. However, exposure to UV radiation significantly reduces the markers that tell a cell it is injured. Indirect damage can cause the p53 to fall off the track before dealing with the injury. Direct damage can cause p53 to bounce over the damage. The immune system no longer sees the injured cells, and p53 and NER do not repair them. Thankfully, now there's Lamelle Helase and Lamelle Nourish. Nourish from Lamelle has 8-OGG1 that repairs cuts and tears in the rungs of the DNA, allowing p53 and NER to function. Nourish also contains antioxidants and sunscreen. Lamelle Helase also contains 8-OGG1, as well as photoliase, which corrects DNA kinks, and photolight therapy, together with a 50+ UV protection factor. Helase not only prevents and repairs damage, but may reduce the risk of sun-induced skin cancer. Lamelle Nourish and Lamelle Helase are the only products that currently protect and repair DNA, as opposed to the basic protection of conventional products. Lamelle Research Laboratories.